Alrighty everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have got another opening for you guys. We are going to try to actually get to this one this time. In the last couple of videos we've said we were going to, but we ended up taking so long with our other packages that we have not had a chance. Papa knows what's in this big one right here. That's the first one that we're going to open, and then we're going to open up these guys as second, and this will be last. So you ready, Munchkin? Alright, let's get these out of the way. Those are more whatnot orders that Papa has got to stop.
I'm going to open it once you make it loose.
Okay.
I'm going to pretend that I'm Gecko from PJ Masks.
Oh, okay, open it.
Super Gecko muscles! Rah! Ooh, Poppy.
Alright, so I think you just pull up.
I want to pop these bubbles.
Alrighty. So, this is yet another Palms of Gaming piece that we are getting in preparation for our cards to come back. So, Munchkin found bubbles.
Which I will need to pop.
Alright. Look at that beauty-miss. Well, I'm not sure why that's all marked up right there, though. That's alright. Okay, let's see if I can take this out real quick. I don't think that we were recording videos when we did our first one. This is the front of it. Palms Off of Gaming. Limited edition. This has got the same stuff as our other one, which is 3 slots. And each of these slots fits about 30 PSA graded cards with the sleeves on them like we have for these guys here. Like this. It will fit about 18. So I believe that's 54 for all 3 of these. And since we just sent off a batch of 70, that means we're going to have about 90 in total, a little bit more than that, because we picked up a couple of PSA and OCG ones as well too.
All of them are going to fit?
Yes. So if this one holds 54 and this one here also holds 54, that would be 108. That's right. And so with the 20 that we have here already, 22 I think in total, plus the OCG one that, or the OCG, the CGC one that we just got, and the 70 that we sent, that's going to be about 92 or 93. So we should have enough to fill it out. This is really nice. I'm really pleased with this one, which is why I got another one. Little palms off right there. It's magnetic right here if you guys are unfamiliar with this. It's a nice...
I see the little dots.
Yeah, you see the little dots there. It's a nice magnetic touch to it on the inside. It's very felt-like.
And it's a good thing that it's really tough, so if it falls, the cards won't fall out.
And so this is very nice fabric. And yeah, so that is going to do that. We got a little logo on there. It's really high quality made. And we got it in preparation for all of our second batch of graded cards to come back. So fortunately we just sent that off, so that will probably be about a little bit longer than 2 months, I would say.
Wait, last time you said 2 months.
Yeah, well, it's 65 days is what they quote it. And so in the last one that we did, that was economy. It was a little bit shorter than that.
65 days, I can't wait that long.
I know,
That's
we're
more
gonna
than
have to
3
manage.
months.
So next up, we've got some more whatnot orders that Papa had to delete the app because he was just going crazy on it. So we're gonna get this guy open. I was gonna open it, I'm just gonna pull it out because honestly at this point I have no idea which one is what.
Let's hope that bandit is not here. The bandit
Oh, the
Caribou?
bandit one?
Yeah.
Alright. Want to pull that guy out? Okay, so no hard sleeves. That's already not a good sign. But maybe this was ones that weren't that great. Okay. So it looks like maybe Papa just got one pack of these. Turn those over.
Okay, let's start with this one.
Ooh, so this is, this was the second, this is Ghost from the Past. Alright.
First edition.
Yep. Box of Friends.
I bet you it was a first edition pack.
Vision Hero Increase. Core Radiator.
I haven't seen that one before.
And Reptilian Lamia. So we're going to need to get those guys sleeved up ASAP. Okay, set that off to the side. Next one up is a little bit thicker.
This means more cards. And the next one's even more thicker. And then the next one's even more thicker. Don't let me see it. What?
Oh, that's interesting.
Huh.
I don't know. I thought, okay, so this one's from Kraken Packs. And I believe, Munchkin, that we might have gotten sent 2 of these. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. Oh, no. They did 2 sleeves and 1 for both of these. Why would you do that? Oh, so Papa's going to need some more. Okay, regardless. Alright, we'll set these to the side. Okay? So, you guys want to go to Whatnot. There's Kraken Packs. That's his information. He has a lot of great OCG and some TCG cards as well too. And he sells a lot of slabs. So
I want to look at it. It looks
check it
cool.
out. Alrighty, so you want to go through this one?
Yep. Alright.
Okay, so I'm not going to know the names to any of these.
Yep.
Oh, that's Magician of Faith. I know that one. That is Chaos Emperor, Dragon of Envoy. Not sure what that one is. Oh, that's a cool looking fiery one. Oh, look at that. It looks like a secret rare.
If there are anyone's die, no, then I'll say that.
Okay.
Okay, I knew none of them.
So that's an interesting looking one. Look at that. That's like a prismatic rare. Alright, next up.
The same card?
Yep, it is, isn't it?
Go on, need this one. Hang on. That looks like the silvery calcos.
It does kind of, doesn't it?
Look at that froggy. Wait, I know this one. Right? Red Eyes, Black Dragon.
That is true.
Only it's in robot form. Hang on. This one isn't alright.
Did you know any of the names to them?
Nope. There are 3 of these robot things. I knew none of them.
Alright, so these were the more special ones from that batch. Okay, if you want to just take those one at a time.
Ooh, this one's a Chinese one. Japanese. Okay, let's flip this over. Ooh.
So that's a cool looking one. I do not know what it is. Number 89. Don't know if that one's good or not. But it was sent in a soft case. Alright, next up. Looks like we got some English cards. You're going to know what this one is, Munchkin.
Blue Eyes, Right Dragon.
That is correct.
Hang on, those are the stone tablets.
They are, bud. So that's a different variation. That's the one that came out with the Legendary Collections 1, I believe.
I think I want this card.
Okay. We're going to need to get more sleeves out there. All right, next up.
Okay, that one's written a 13. Alright, and this English card is Dark Magician, another one of those.
That one's got a little tab on it too. We're going to need to get a hard case out for that guy.
And now, last but not least, another Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon.
Yup. Look at that. That is beautiful. So, I did think that we already got ours from you, Kraken Packs. I'm not sure that I got 2, but maybe you threw this one in. I'm not sure. He knew I was looking for a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, so that is definitely a great one. Now we've got 2 of them, and I think that they're from 2 different things too. So, like this one is, I believe, the Legendary Collection.
This one's first edition.
It's like these guys too. Oh yeah, they are. Nice. And that's limited edition. And this one
First edition.
is first edition. Nice. It's actually quite interesting.
Only the reason why Blue Eyes White Dragon doesn't have a special ability is because its special ability is Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon to make him. Only we don't have 3 blue eyes.
Alright, now this one is kind of a bigger one, but I feel like most of it is just space. So we'll see what's in this. Maybe. We'll see what's in it.
I'll pull out the truth.
Is it in there?
Ooh, there's a card in there.
There is a card in there.
This don't show me it.
I'm trying not to.
I'll look away.
Alright, so this was from Bushido 7.
Bushido 7?
Yep. And this is a card that Papa got especially for you, Munchkin.
Ooh.
Alright. You're ready to look for it? Or look at it?
Alright. Yeah. The seal of Orichalcos.
That's right, bud. Look at that.
I'm adding it to my deck.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. So, Munchkin finally got a seal of Orichalcos. Orichalcos, if I can say the name right. Well, look at that. So, this is also, I believe, Legendary Collection. If I'm not
But that means I'm going to have to
wrong.
make sure I don't lose because when I watched it, the seal of Orichalcos takes their soul.
Oh, no. So it says, all monsters you control gain 500 attack. Once per turn, this card cannot be destroyed by card effects. While you control 2 or more face-up attack position monsters, your opponent cannot target your monsters with the lowest attack for an attack. When this card is activated, destroy all special summon monsters you control. You cannot special summon monsters from your extra deck. You can only activate the seal of Orichalcos once per duel. Whoa. So that is beautiful. Look at that.
And let's say I had Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, it would be 6,000.
Look at that. An ultimate, a magician,
5,000.
Blue Eyes, and seal of Orichalcos. Woo!
Me add it to my deck.
Alright, yep. Alright, so this is a slightly bigger one. I think this might have come with one of the cases. I don't know.
If there's another seal of Orichalcos,
Oh, I remember this one. I remember this one. Alright, so.
I don't. It's that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Cough attack.
Okay, so. We got ourselves another 10. Which we have one already.
Only one.
Mm,
I thought there was more.
Okay, so multiple in there. It's hard to tell.
I wonder.
Bubba's trying to set these out. Okay.
I
Go
wonder.
through these, bud?
I wonder how do you speak this language?
I don't know, but
Do you know how to speak it?
nope.
Does anybody know how to speak this
Nope.
language? Hey, I know this one anywhere. I know both two of those front ones anywhere. Okay, I'll pull them out. Yeah. I'll say their name if I can say them.
Okay, bud.
Okay, first we have this one. Ghost Trick Siren.
Yep.
Epsilon.
Epsilon the Magnet Warrior.
Ooh, I know this one. Scaled Brown Magician.
Yep.
Mutant. S-Force Lapcorn.
You know that one.
This one. Duh! Why is it upside down?
Not sure, but
I do not know this name.
that is Dark the Dark Charmer Glue. Maybe have the Starlight one of that one.
Yep. Which is the best card, but not the best card in the whole world. Okay. I have no idea why this card is upside down.
I don't know, but
Okay. I have a feeling that all these cards are being upside down.
they might.
Ice Jade Erosion. Don't know.
Just flip them around, but here.
Okay.
Papa will finish off the little one.
No, I want to do that one.
Okay.
Monster Rebirth.
Yep.
Dawn Monster Bear. Swordler Strike.
Solar Strife.
Smoke Mosquito.
Yep.
Ghost Trick or Treat.
Yep.
Tribe Die.
Yep. And a Pigeon, the Impersonal Invader. Alright, I'm going to set those on the side. Bubba's going to go through these ones. Despian Tragedy, McKinney Locking, McKinney Battle, Albion, the Shrouded Dragon, Signet Sword, and Shinobi.
But the Silver Calcos is sure going to be a good add to
Kaiser, the Hidden Star, D&D Headhunt, End of the Line, Ice Jade Erosion, The Age of Destruction, Smoke Mosquito, Dull Happiness, and the Great Double Casted Caster. Those are all first edition. Alright. Now we got some more here. Ice Jade, Live Twin Latreat, the True Sun God. That's actually a cool one. Contract with the Abyss, Master Diploma, Base Russell Shoot, Arm Dragon, Metaflos, Gunkan, Shimp Shuni, Psychic Eraser, Floodwater Rees, Gizmek, Guncap, oh my goodness, B-Drop, Trickstar, Swollen Something, Kunmik Shiro.
This one's a light type, that one's a dark type, that one's a light type. Wait. But what? Oh, they just say magic and trap.
Meta something, Magni, Switch, Albion, Amateur, Covering, Arm Dragon, Zexo Alliance, Speed Trooper, Ice Jade, Magni Dragon, Black Eyes, Armed Level 10 White, ooh, look at that, Rebuilder, Mimicking Maneater, that looks like Maneater bug, Suin Crossbreed, and Soul Swoller.
Well, Maneater bug. I bet you the Weevil would like that one.
He would, wouldn't he?
Weevil Underhood. I believe that was his name.
Alright, we've got a boat. Meowslick, Link Apple, Sacred Beast, Supernatural. Look at that. Something in the Sky, Albivarian Distillery, and look at that Binary Blader, Warlock, and the Breaking Ruin God.
That's Alobalus, the tormentor.
Which one? Oh, yeah, it is Albus, huh?
Alobalus, the tormentor.
Good eyes, but alrighty. And then our specials of this one.
Wait, this is a card?
Yep.
Ah. And this one is... Voila! Another one that we do not know.
This is Black Luster, Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. Papa used to have the Invasion of Chaos one of this. Fortunately, no more.
Okay. This one is...
Gozen Match.
And this one is...
Libromancer, First Appearance.
And this one is...
Flood, Water Breeze, Magnificent Map.
And this one is...
Branded Opening. Oh.
And last but not least... Dun, dun, dun.
We have Incredible Eglixius the Virtuous. Papa definitely butchered that name. Alrighty, so that there does it for our openings. We've got our seal of Orichalcus. We've got our Blue Eyes, the Dark Magician's alternative art, our Black Luster Soldier, and then we've got some nice newer secret rares and some ultra rares down here as well too. So that's awesome. Cracking packs. Check them out. See supplied some of the cards here, and we got some from Bushido 7 as well too. So thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. We got ourselves another 10, and that is gonna do it for these cards.
Now what about the box?
Now we are going to open up the box. Alrighty. It is long overdue. We're going to tag team this one, but okay.
What does that mean?
That means you're going to do a pack, I'm going to do a pack.
Wait, at the same time?
Well, maybe. We'll see.
I'm going to do it at the same time.
Bubba doesn't have any sleeves, so we'll see how that works out. Alrighty. Amazing Defenders. We've had this one for at least the longest time that we've had something before. We haven't opened it up.
But then where are we going to put the specials? What if there's a starlight?
This one's not going to have a starlight, but this one has collector's rares.
Wait, just collector's rares?
Yes.
So just regular rares?
No, you'll see. They're slightly different. Papa was trying to do research on exactly how they look, but we'll just have to see once we get them. So this one has a lot of ones that are like cat and purry and stuff like that. So, alrighty. Shall we get to it? Okay, I'm gonna shuffle up Papa's side, shuffle up your side. Sometimes there's mapping in it.
I'll just pop these bubbles.
Once Brown's bubbles, so he's happy. Alright, so I believe I know what a collector rare looks like. If we skip over one, oops. Said if we skip over one, then oops. Alright. Ready, Munchkin?
Yep.
So we have about 20 minutes to go through these.
Uh-oh. If we do it at the same time, that will be quicker.
This is true. Alright. We doing card trick? Or do you want to just do 5th card in?
Just do 5th card.
Okay. You want to go first or me?
Me.
Okay. Alrighty, so we've got Rescue Ace Airlifter.
Is this a collector's rare?
Nope. Put it down. Armed Protector Dragon. Pearly Happiness is our rare, it looks like. So that was 3 cards in. Nice. Purely Happiness. Okay. We've got Gaia, XYZ Reborn, and Spirit's Blessing. Oh, and Reinforcement of the Army. That one is actually a reprint. Alrighty. Papa has got Inferno Arms, the Great Mankedo, and 1-for-1 as the Hollow. XYZ Reborn, Purely Delicious Memory, Pure Leap, and a Reinforcement Army.
Oh, again.
Again.
How about you open yours once I open?
Alright, we've got Inferno Arms, Rex and Special, Pure Reese Map, Pure Plump, Mankedo Reluctus Rondo, Machine Duplication, XYZ Tribal Rivals, and Limiter Removal. Alright, we're going to put that one in the back. Okay, so Mankedo Rivalry, Hidden Armory, Mankino Maguri, Sacred Scrolls, Armed Protector of Dragon, Contain, and Excurly Noir. So lots of little kitties. Kitties in this one.
But they like, I'm going to see if I can do the cards.
Okay, this one's different, but so that's because there's 7 cards. So this one is 3 in.
Okay.
No, from this side it's 3 in. So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it would be 5 cards. All right, Purely Delicious Memory, and I was wrong. Rescue. This one is our ultra rare, so we'll set that one to the side. Papa was wrong, but okay, just keep going. Mankino Magari, Stray Purely Street, and Arm Protector, and Savas the Ancient Ascended. Alright, Preparation of Rites, Stray Purely Streets, Gizmic Inferno, Rescue Ace Turbulence. So that's actually on the cover there, but
Including that one that I pulled.
so we've got our second. Oh no, it's got a little scuff on the top there, but
What's a scuff?
a little white mark on the top. Yep.
And it's very bent on back.
Yep. Alrighty, so we've got our second ultra rare.
Alright, you open the other pack.
Purely Happy Memory. Rescue Ace HQ. Ooh, Immortal Phoenix Gearfried. Yep, is that just a super? Nice. Double-edged sword. Hidden Armory. Mankano. And Gizmic.
Do I put these on top of here?
That's okay, but
Okay.
we've got Contain, Rescue Ace, another Immortal Gearfried.
Wait, is this
Back
on
to
mine?
back. You're taking from my side, but when
But
have
you
we
ha-
ever switched sides?
But you have more.
When have we ever switched sides?
But you have more than mine.
Go. Probably because you're drawing from my side, but
I'm not.
well, you obviously had to be doing something.
Because then I've been doing more and you've been doing less.
Open the pack.
That's what I'm doing.
Don't give me attitude, but
What does that mean?
attitude?
Oh, I thought you said attitude.
Nope, attitude. Don't give me attitude.
I'm not.
Okay, let's go. Alright, Rescue Ace. XYZ Import. You're Free Beauty. Mineko Promise. Inferno Knight. Sacred Scrolls. And Imperly Happiness. Alright, we've got Inferno Arms. Rescue Ace, Infernal Knight, Mechanical Rivalry, Purely Delicious, XYZ Tribals, and Card Trooper.
So I wonder why you had 2 more.
I don't know, but we'll figure it out at the end. Armed Protector Dragon, Purely Happiness Memory, and Menkiko Fire Dance. Nice job. Machine Duplication, Double-Edged Sword, XYZ Tribal Rivals, and Gizmic. Alright, we've got Infernal Arms again, Stray Pearly Strees, Rescue Ace Impulse, Inferno Knight, Gizmic, and XYZ.
There are 2 Gizmics?
Yeah, they have different endings in their names though. But Papa's just calling them Gizmics because they make the name so long. Alright, yet again, Infernal Arms. It's in the first card every single time. Purely Happiness, X Purely Noir.
Too many cats.
Oh yeah. Soravis, the Ancient Ascended, XYZ Reborn, and Reinforcements of the Army, XYZ Tribal Rivals. Alright, Contain, Armed Protector Dragon, X Burly Plump, Hidden Armory, Mekanku, Extinguish. Puri Rest Map, Rescue Ace Lifter, Hidden Armory, Mekanko Purification Dance. Ooh, that's a cool looking one.
Hey, that's the... We got all 3 of the ones on there.
Oh, nice. Let me go into that one again. So this one's Omi the Manifested Mekanko. And that is our 3rd ultra rare. So put that one in one of the sleeves we got here.
Hey, why does it say 6 years?
6 years plus. That's basically what they think. If you're going to get into Yu-Gi-Oh! That you have to be at least that age. It's more of a guideline though. Extinguish. Alright.
And then is this your side or my side?
I don't know, buddy. Keep moving them back and forth. You're the only one doing that.
I'm not moving it back.
Okay, Rescue Ace Fire Attacker, Rescue Ace Airlifter, and Isildol, the 2 tails of the Noble Knight.
How did... Oh.
Menkiko Reflection, XYZ Reborn, Reinforcement, and Limiter Removal.
All the ones in here is going to be 1st edition. Because it's 1st edition box.
Correct. Alright, we have got Stray Purely Street, Preparation of the Rites. Is that our hollow 1 for 1? We already got that one. Now we got 2. It's not 1 for 1, it's 2 for 2. Menkiko Rivalry, another one of the Ancient Ascend, Card Trooper, Limiter Removal. Alright. XYZ Import, Rescue Ace HQ, Mekanko Fire Dance. Yet again, we've gotten like 2 of our supers in each one. Double-Edged Sword, Mekanko, Purely Peep, and Extinguish. Wow, so far, Munchkin, this is not a very good box.
I think you should do 2, and then...
We'll figure it out. Okay, the Great Mekanko Ceremony, Rescue Ace Lifter, Rescue Ace Fire Engine. Didn't we already get that one? No? Okay. I can't see, you're moving it. Let's just call it Sunrise Signal. And Machine. Ooh, look at that one.
Oh, no.
That is not something you want to see. Ooh-wee. Extinguish. And Sacred Soul Scrolls. Alrighty. Purely Happiness Memory. God, so much damage on these. Pure Reese map. Rescue Fire Engine. This is literally, look at that. We literally got 2 of those in a row on Papa's side.
Ay, ay, ay.
This is a broken box. Wow.
Why no, I got that one.
No, oh, I did, I thought. Regardless, it's broken. Broken.
What's broken?
The box is broken.
How?
It's like doubles, getting doubles of all the same things.
Soon we're gonna get triples.
Oh, only of the good cards, I hope.
What?
Alrighty. A Rescue Ace.
I put
Wrexham Special. Preparation of Rites. Overlay Rain. Oh, that's an interesting one. Kind of cool look, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Infernal Bull Knight. Makengo. Reinforcement Army. And yeah. So.
I'm gonna do this
The
one.
Great Makenko. Rescue Ace. Purely Beauty. And all the same cards we pulled. Alright. So Papa's gonna do the last one on his side.
And then I'll do the last one on my side. Oh, my leg is sore.
Alright. Preparation of Rites. XYZ Import. Overlay Rain. We literally just got that one. This has really been the worst box Papa's ever opened. Ever. So these ones just don't have secret rares to them?
Let there be a collector rare.
Is that how it is? Because I cannot tell.
The next one.
Alright, last but not least.
Ding.
Contain. Great Makenko Ceremony. Nini, the Mirror Menko. Makenko Rivalry. Makenko Purification Dance. And Card Trooper.
Yeah.
So, is there another one like that?
Yeah.
And what was that? Purify the Happiness. So,
Mine has more than yours.
it's not. It's even. Alrighty, so these were all of our supers that we got. I am not seeing what I would indicate as a collector's rare. And to be quite honest,
You said you knew what a collector rare.
yeah, I thought I would, but like all these are just like a bunch of supers. Like every single pack was just a super. So, and we got like doubles and triples of some. So, very strange to be quite honest with you. I'm not a fan of this set
I am a
whatsoever.
fan of this one.
And then you get what, 3? Like, is that right? Like you just get 3 ultimates or ultras? I don't know, guys. That seems suspicious to me. Alrighty, well, that's gonna do it, you guys. We appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for watching our opening and our box. We will not be getting another Amazing Defenders because, well, there's just better boxes out there. But we marked it off the list, and yeah, so that's gonna do it. We appreciate you guys for watching, and we will catch you guys next time.
Yeah.